just move on. You will be redirected in your life and on your journey. You will be redirected to your true soul tribe. You will be directed to your true love of life. Feel me? You will be directed to your true friends. I promise you. I know it's hard to get rid of some people sometimes because, especially for us chosen ones, because we have such a heart of gold that has unconditional amounts of love that just wants to just pour and pour and pour. But listen, if you're pouring into a vessel that cannot hold your amount and can't hold your value, that means you're draining yourself from what makes you desirable. Rewind that if you have to. Get what I'm saying? It was a mouthful. I'm surprised I got it out myself. But listen, it's the truth. Feel me? Stop wasting time on people who are just lowering your potential. It's guilty by association. Chosen ones, you know that you're the most creative, ambitious person in your circle, bro or sis, man, bro, sir, ma'am, bro, sir, ma'am, bro, sir, sis. That's how it goes. Yes. You know you're the most creative, but yet you have these knucklehead deceptioneers, Decepticons. All they do is practice the art of deception. You have them around you playing games, laughing, kikiing, when really, deep down inside, you're not feeling good. Deep down inside, you're questioning everything. You're questioning your reality. You're questioning the friendships. You're questioning your future. Feel me? Sometimes you have to go into isolation mode, lone wolf style, if you want to really bring your vision to reality. God told me one time, some things are for your eyes only. You know what I mean? Not everyone is meant to see the blessings that he's going to deliver unto you. So you have to, and I mean you really have to, just dedicate your mind, body, soul to just knowing that I'm not talking to this listen, this person made me feel worthless. I'm gonna show you who's worthless. I'm gonna up my value, and then when you come back, which I know you will come back groveling, they always do. That's when you got your power back. That's when the ball's in your court. You know what I'm saying? You know what I do though? I love it when they come back, bro. I leave their ass on red. By now they've seen this mess. They've seen all my videos, so they know they could even hit Sinashti up. The old Chris, I'll maybe hit him up. Yeah, blah, 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 simping. But nigga, Sinashti, Mr. Never Ashamed. So honestly, thank yourself. The shit that nigga been through, he's not just allowing any old people to just come in and think that they about to just act with no buffoonery. Come on, man. Hell no. Man, I feel like I've been ranting, yo, but listen, man, if y'all like the message, just hit the like button. It's really not hard. It's right there by your finger, literally. You're right there. You like the character, Mr. Never Ashamed. So honestly, thank yourself. Sinashti. That's what Nashti stands for. Hit the subscribe button, yo. Follow me, bro. I'm really a cool guy. And if you go to the catalog, I got over 1,000 videos of high-level consciousness conversations. Oh, yeah. What's the last one? Yo, hit me in the comment section too. Yo, I get my life in the comment section, yo. For real, man, bro, sir, sis. I feel like I'm saying that wrong, but listen. Hit me in the comment section. Even if you don't want to say much, just hit me with a what's up, my boy.